So let's learn about what is singular and what is plural. So let's play a game. Let's tell me first. What is this? What you see? Yes, it is one rabbit. And on right hand side, how many rabbits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 rabbits. That means more than one rabbit. More rabbit. Next. Second, one elephant. And next, 1, 2, 3. 3 means more elephants. Next is one ball. And opposite to this, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means more than one ball. Next is one tiger. And opposite to this, 1, 2, 3. That means more than one tiger. So you're clear about concept of one and more? One and more than one. This is one thing is one and second is more than one. Anything. It is 2, it is 3, it is 4 or many, it is 100. It is more than one. So now what do you see here? It is one pencil. What do you see here? Pencil. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is called as, let's read P-E-N-C-I-L-S. Yes, pencils. So if it is 1, it is called as pencil. And if it is 4, that is more than 1, it is called as pencils. So what you learn from this? If it is 1, it is called as singular. What is called? Singular. And if it is more than 1, it is called as plural. What it called? Plural. So now we use letter or sound S after any name to show it is more than 1 in number. What we use? Letter S or sound S. Pencil, pencils. Pencil, pencils. What we use? The sound S to indicate it is more than 1 in number. So it is called as plural. If it is 1, then it is singular. And if it is more than 1, it is called as plural. So let's go to our what is called as singular and what is called as plural. A singular refers to only one person, place, object, animal, fruit, and so on. Name of anything which is only 1 in number. And about plural, a plural refers to more than one person, place, object, animal, fruit, and so on. So, any name which is more than 1 in number, it is called as plural. So, one interesting thing we already learned in our previous session, article an is is this. We use article for the name which is only 1 in number. That means now what we called as, we use article before singular names. We use article before singular names. And if it is more than 1 in number, we don't use the article. So we do not use article before plural names. So understand it? So let's apply on our first slide. That is 1 and more than 1. So now, once again, what you see here, 1 rabbit. Yes, 1 rabbit. Now, what you called? A rabbit. Correct? And now, on the opposite side, there are 4. More than 1. So we apply S after rabbit. So it is called as rabbits. If it is more than 1 in number, we apply S. So it is rabbits. Next is 1 elephant. So we called an elephant. And opposite to this, elephants. We apply S after elephant to indicate it is more than 1 in number. Next is 1 ball. So we write here a ball. And for 3 ball, yes, we apply S after ball. So it is 3 balls. It is balls. Next, tiger, a tiger. So, and if what we say for 3 tiger, tigers, we apply S. So it is tigers. So do you understand? We apply S to indicate that the name or the thing, animal, place, anything which is more than 1 in number. And if it is 1 number, so we apply article a, and, the, etc. What about a and? You can see in our previous session. You click on the I button on above the screen, so you can get the information if you not go through our lecture. So let's next. What do you see here? Now tell me. It is 1 apple. So it is an apple. An apple. A is vowel. So we apply an apple. And what you see here? 2. So we write apples. Next, orange, an orange. And next is oranges. A flower. Flowers. A monkey. Monkeys. A car. Cars. So we apply S after any name. Now solve one worksheet. Now you know if it is 1 in number, you have to use article before it. And if it is more than 1 in number, you have to use S sound or S later after it. So tell me what you see in the first picture. Yes, 1 cat, that is a cat. In second, bananas. That is more than 1 banana. So it is bananas. More than 1 books, that is books. Tell me, a tree. Now, more than 1 dog. So dogs. Next, a horse, because it is 1 in number. Now next, let's solve another worksheet. So tell me, what will be the plural of these many words? First is duck. So what we do? We apply s after this word, that is duck, and we apply s, that is ducks. The plural of duck is ducks. Next, goat. Tell me, we have to apply s. So it must be GOATS, goats. Next, mango. MANGOS, mangoes. Kite. KITES, kites. Top. TOPS, tops. Pig. PIGS, pigs is the singular, is the plural of pig. Then owl. Owls is the plural of owl. Bird. Birds. Parrot. Parrots. Frog. Frogs. So you take another words, another many names. You already learned 3-letter words. You know many 3-letter words or 2-letter words, and then apply s after it, and it will be the plural of that name. So let's learn this and solve another worksheets. So keep watching, keep learning, rise and shine from KG to PG and from stotras to syntax. Bye bye. Thank you.